all. I hope you all are fine and you have learnt the poem The Sound of Things. Yes, children? So now we are going to understand this poem properly, okay? And before understanding it, I'll ask some questions from you and you have to answer it through the Google Classroom app, okay? So my first question is, what are the different sounds you hear every day? Okay, some hear the sound of bells, different kind of bells, different kind of school bells and ice cream bells, etc. Some hear the sound of vehicles too. So what are the different sounds you hear every day, and which sounds do you like and which sounds do you dislike, and why? You have to answer these questions through the Google Classroom app in the comment box. Okay, children? So we are going to start our first stanza. First stanza is, jingle jangle what a tangle. What do you mean by jingle? Jingle is the light ringing sound. So the poet is saying jingle jangle. Jangle is the loud ringing sound which is produced by the metal objects, which is produced by the big metal objects. Okay, and jingle, the sound of jingle is produced by the small metal bells. Okay, so jingle jangle what a tangle. Tangle, what do you mean by tangle? Tangle means when the threads jumble together, when the bells jumble together and produce the sound, that is called tangle. So jingle jangle what a tangle. Bells by the window, bells high and low. Bells by the window, because bells are being hanged on the window, right? And some bells are being hanged on the height, and some bells being hanged on the low side, right? So bells by the window, bells high and low. Acha, tell me, are the bells hanging by the window all at the same height? No, they hang high and low. That is why the poet has said, bells by the window, bells high and low. Now, second stanza. I hear the gentle tinkle. What does the poet hear? The poet hears the gentle tinkle. Tinkle, what do you mean by tinkle? Tinkle is the light sound. What do you mean by tinkle? Tinkle is the light sound. Okay. Like a salt and pepper sprinkle. Do you know what is salt and pepper? Yes, salt is namak and pepper is what? Kali mirch. We all are having at our home, right? So, tinkle is the light sound which is produced by the salt and pepper sprinkle. When we spread or when we scatter salt and pepper over an object, that is called sprinkle. So I hear the gentle tinkle like a salt and pepper sprinkle of the bells as they chime in the wind all the time. What does the bell do? The bell chime all the time. And where does the bell chime? They chime in the wind. So the line is like, of the bells as they chime in the wind all the time. Next stanza is the third one. Church bell, temple bell, ring sweetly and tell. Which kind of bells we hear it is referred? Church bell. Church bell and temple bell. Ring sweetly and tell. What do church bell and temple bell tell? Let's see. It's time to come. What do church and bell and temple bell say? It's time to come. And sing and hum. Hum, what do you mean by hum? Hum, to sing a tune softly. Okay, children. So church bell and temple bell say to come and to sing and hum. Okay, children. Now please turn the page and take out the page number 9. Everybody has taken out in the book also? Yes? Now fourth stanza is, some bells call one and all. Whom do some bells call? Let's see. One and all. What do you mean by one and all? Do you know what does one and all refer to? One and all means everyone. So some bells call everyone. Okay, all the people. Some bells call all the people or everyone. But others tell that all is not well. Some bells, what do some bells tell? That all is not well. All is not well means that something is serious, something sad is going to be happened. So some bells tell that all is not well. Sirens scream, make way, quickly move away. What does siren scream? What does siren scream? Do you know what is siren? Have you heard the sound of siren? Yes? Where does you heard the sound of siren? Yes? From the ambulance? Yes? Yes. We have heard the siren of an ambulance or a fire engine. Okay? And they sound sad when they ring to tell others that someone is in trouble. Okay? Like the siren of an ambulance or a fire engine. So, sirens scream and say, make way. We have to make the way and quickly move away. Whenever sirens scream on the road, so we should quickly move away. Okay, children? So, some bells call one and all, but others tell that all is not well. Sirens scream, make way, quickly move away. Now, fifth stanza, that is last stanza, is, some bells say ice cream is near. Some bells say ice cream is near. What do some bells say? That ice cream is near. Okay, so how do bells help the ice cream seller? By ringing itself. Okay, so some bells say ice cream is near. Come and have some, dear. Okay, ice cream bells call everybody, na? Ice cream bell call all the children around it and say, come and have some, dear. Right, children? So, next is, some bells make noise, but others call girls and boys. Some bells make noise also, but others bell call girls and boys also, right? But where do others call girls and boys? Do you know? Yes? Where do some bells call girls and boys? Yes, let's see in the next line. To school, to play, to go or to stay. Okay, so some bells call girls and boys to school, to play, or sometimes to go or to stay. Happy bells, bells said, bells sing, there is fun to be had. So some are happy bells, some are sad bells also. Like siren is the sad one, right? So bells sing, there is fun to be had. What do bells say? That there is a lot of fun to be had. Yes? So do you like the happy bells or sad bells? Just let me know in the comment box. Okay, children? Did you understand this poem? Yes? Now, children, we will recall what we have read in these stanzas. Okay, so in stanza first, what we have read and what we have heard that bells hanging by the window. We have heard about the bells hanging by the window. In the second stanza, we have learnt about the bells chiming in the wind. In the third stanza, we have learnt about the church and temple bells. What do? They call everyone to sing and hum, right? And in the fourth stanza, we have learnt about the sirens and warning bells. Yes, sirens scream to make way, right children? And siren do not have the happy sound, right? Yes, and in the last stanza, that is fifth stanza, we have learnt about the bells showing happiness and sadness both. So these are your 5 stanzas, and this is your poem about the bells. How is it? Now tell me. Yes, and did you understand the poem? Yes, we have learned about the different sound of different bells and the different sound of things, like the salt and pepper sprinkler, like the siren. Yes, children, like the ice cream bells. Yes, so now you just tell me in the comment box. Yes, so now for now, bye bye, take care beta, stay home, stay safe.